Hey guys, how's it going? Go Explore Matt here for another video for you today. And today I'm going to talk about how you can get 5-star hotels for 2-star hotel pricing. The way I've been doing it for many years is I've been using a website called Hotwire. Hotwire is a site that lets you get hotels for a discounted price. For example, I booked the Royal York Hotel in downtown Toronto before. You can see I paid that price, and the actual price that it was going for online was something around this price. Now you can see the differences in the two prices. I saved around $150. I also booked it for a hotel when I stayed at the Radisson Harbourfront, and I paid this price. And it usually goes for around something like this price. So that one was a smaller savings. The other one was like $150. This one was like $20-$30. It depends on the hotel, the time, but you can find some very good deals for very good pricing. So I'm going to hop on my computer and show you how I get hotels for that type of pricing using Hotwire. So sit back, relax, and let's get to the computer. Alright guys, we are on the computer now. Look at this. We have it all set up. Now, first thing you gotta do is go to hotwire.com like I did here, and let's search a destination. So, for example, for this video, let's say we want to go to Chicago. I want hotels checked up here, and let's just say we're gonna go there in. Let's say we're gonna go there in July. Go July 1st to July 3rd, and let's see what hotels they have. So right now it is loading all the hotels in the Chicago area for those dates. And there we go. So let's just say we're going to go to the downtown area, which I'm hovering over. So click that for the area, because if I go to Chicago, I want to stay downtown. And let's go to the hot rate. You always want to select the hot rate. So these are the hotels that are going for the discount. When you select the hot rate, they're regularly $171. They're going for $99 a night, $93, $105, $99, $50, $160. So look at this $99, because it seems that it's usually $140. It's going $40 off $99 for hotels, 4-star in Millennium Park area. As you can see, it's loaded. Now, usually it shows you what the last person got. The last person got the Palmer House Hilton. And there's 3 other options. So it's guaranteed to be one of these 3 hotels. You can research them and see what the reviews are for them. It kind of gives you a general consensus of the reviews right here too from Hotwire. And once you purchase the hotel, you get the name of it. So yeah, and here it even gives you an actual photo of the room. So you could actually look at this image, go on TripAdvisor, look up those 3 hotels. If you find any of the rooms have the same bedspread or curtains, you'll know that is this hotel. So there's little tricks like that to figure out which hotel you are actually getting. You just save money because they're not displaying the hotel's name. You can also go on this website I have here called Better Bidding and look up all the hotels in Chicago for Millennium Park, which we did here. And it tells you all this stuff here, like the amenities, restaurant, boutique, fitness, free, smoke free. So that is the Chicago's Athletic Association. So if you go here and you check the amenities, you match these amenities to the ones listed on this website. And that's another trick for figuring out which hotel is on the list on Hotwire to get for cheaper. And the last and final way I do it, I know I can't do it on here, but I use the app, the Hotwire app, and it lets you read actual reviews that people wrote about the hotel. And sometimes people in the reviews leave little hints like, oh, right across from this mall. and then you look up which mall it is and which hotel's across from it, and you know which hotel you're actually looking at. So yeah, that's kind of how I work Hotwire. I use better bidding. Plus, I go on the site. I use my judgment. I read reviews on the Hotwire app. If you have that, like I said, it lets you read personal reviews. And I just do my investigating. I usually can figure out which hotel it is just by looking at the amenities and comparing them to the amenities seen on betterbidding.com. So it takes a little bit of investigation work, but if you do it proper, you can get the right hotel for a very good price. And you can also go around and check the different areas of Chicago if you want to stay in another one. Select more areas, you get more different options. So yeah, this hot rate is a great way to do it. You can also do the hot rate on priceline.com instead of hotwire.com. It works almost identical. It's just different websites. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it on Hotwire. Hope you found this informative. And yeah, it was fun. Well, there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was fun making it. I hope this helped you learn how to get a better deal next time you book a hotel for your trip. And let me know in the comments below how you guys get a good deal when you book. Do you guys use Hotwire too or something else? I'm curious to know. Well, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day, guys. Go Explore Matt out.